Forget the protein powder hype. Building muscle is about fueling your body with the right nutrients. To achieve your fitness goals, you need a balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. In this video, we'll dive into 12 incredible foods that can supercharge your muscle building journey. The science of muscle growth. To build muscle, you need to break down muscle tissue through strength training and then allow it to repair and grow stronger. This process, known as muscle protein synthesis, relies heavily on the nutrients you consume. The top 12 muscle building foods. Eggs. These are a complete protein source, providing all essential amino acids. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Choline, found in egg yolks, supports brain and muscle health. Lean beef, it is a high-quality protein to fuel muscle growth. Contains creatine, a natural supplement that boosts strength and power. It is also rich in iron, essential for oxygen transport to muscles. Chicken breast, it is a lean protein source with low fat content. It also contains B vitamins, which play a vital role in energy metabolism. It is easy to prepare and incorporate into various meals. Salmon, it is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and promote muscle recovery. It is a high-quality protein to support muscle growth. Packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D for bone health. Cottage cheese, this is a slow-digesting protein, providing a steady release of amino acids to muscles. Rich in calcium, essential for strong bones and muscle function. It is low in carbohydrates, making it a great choice for those watching their carb intake. Greek yogurt, it is high in protein, especially casein, which is slowly digested. Contains probiotics, which promote gut health and overall well-being. A versatile food that can be used in various recipes. Milk, it is a complete protein source with a perfect amino acid profile. Rich in calcium and vitamin D, essential for bone health and muscle function. It contains carbohydrates for energy and muscle glycogen replenishment. Brown rice, it is a source of complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy. High in fiber, promoting digestive health. Contains essential minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, which support muscle function. Quinoa, it is a complete protein source, making it a great choice for vegetarians and vegans. High in fiber and antioxidants. Contains iron, which helps transport oxygen to muscles. Beans, it is a plant-based protein source with a wide variety of options. High in fiber, promoting satiety and digestive health. Contains essential minerals like potassium and magnesium, which support muscle function. Peanuts, these are a good source of protein and healthy fats. Rich in antioxidants, which protect cells from damage. Contains vitamin E, which supports immune function and skin health. Spinach, a nutrient-dense leafy green packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Contains nitrates, which can improve blood flow and exercise performance. High in fiber, promoting digestive health. By incorporating these 12 powerhouse foods into your diet, you can optimize your muscle building potential. Remember, consistency is key. Fuel your body with the right nutrients and watch your strength and muscle mass soar. Which of these 12 best foods for muscle building and strength is your favorite? Share with us your thoughts by leaving a comment below, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more interesting facts about fitness and diet, subscribe to the channel if you haven't.